video, I will share my experience about two Kolkata cafes with outdoor seating. The first one is Daily Cafe, located right opposite the Deshopriyo Park petrol pump and very near to the Maharani tea stall. I am a nature lover and heard of this nature cafe in Kolkata. This is my first visit to a cafe in these times. Is it safe? Let's find out. Also, I'm vlogging on my Osmo Pocket. So it was a rainy evening and this is the way to inside the cafe. They maintained the cleanliness. It was well sanitized at the entry. He checked my temperature, sanitized my hands, and then I entered to the main section. The middle portion had 3 to 4 tables. It was so vibrant, colorful, just the way I like. The seating areas were very well thought. We took one of the private sections on the left. If I had to describe this cafe in one word, I would say Instagrammable. The wall art gave tropical vibes and the furniture was contemporary to go with it. It is a great place to work to. And here we are. Hold your breath to the USP of the cafe, which drove me crazy when I saw the pictures on Zomato. It straight looks out of a hill station, isn't it? Now coming to the order. We ordered a Vietnamese cold coffee and a cold brew by Sleepy Owl. Now the sad part, the quantity. We were served half a cup of Vietnamese cold coffee. On inquiry, they tried to explain a stupid logic. That is what it is. There you go. This pissed us off, especially Amit. He was really unhappy with the argument the waiter put. And after that, we didn't feel like ordering anything and just finished our coffees respectively. And I did not also like the use of plastic, but they also used paper straw, which is a thumbs up. So maybe I'm giving a benefit of doubt for the current situation they are using the plastic, but I hope they don't do it usually. The decor was really nice, especially this outdoor area, and the entire feel and vibe was damn good. I really enjoyed the vibe here. Next up, we have Roastery Coffee House. Very popular for a lot of things. To begin with, the Zamindari Bari kind of a look, which gives you such a feel-good vibe. Here also we were sanitized, the temperature were checked, and then we were allowed to go in. Beautiful decor with that checkered floor gives me such a vintage feel. I was completely lost in the beauty of this place. This was a huge seating area. Hello there. So we could sit inside or outside. We chose to sit inside because outside people were smoking and we don't smoke, so that's why we came inside. And this was a huge counter over there. There was a lot of interesting things we saw in this cafe. Like for instance, there was this private chamber here for meetings, and couple of minutes later I saw someone taking a meeting over there, which is quite good. And also there's a family section or a date section, you could say, here. This was also a private room. Very nice and simple, classic look. I was completely impressed with this place because of the vintage feel, the zamindari feel, because I'm born and brought up in Calcutta, so I understand that feeling, you know. And every little detail which they had tried to put here took my heart. Did you know they roast the green coffee beans right here and serve us as per the menu? So what gave birth to the Roastery House Calcutta? The Calcutta South Indian Club had initiated a branch of Hyderabad's well-known Roastery Coffee House. The handcrafted ikat curtains, planters, decorative hanging lamps has British Bengal feel to it. And I am completely loving it. We ordered for an iced cappuccino and a cold brew in coconut flavor. We had a super dining experience here. Thanks to the super helpful and courteous staff. I am completely unaware of the traditional types of coffee. They helped us taste and then order. I was completely melted with this beautiful gesture. Then we had also ordered zucchini fries, and this was so delicious and out of the world. So guys, this was the entire video. It was really a fun video to do. Let me know in the comments how did you like it, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye.